Colonel Sanders. In the heart of Kentucky, a legend was born. Not just a legend in the world of fast food, but a testament to the power of persistence, passion, and unwavering belief in one's dreams. This is the inspiring success story of Colonel Harland Sanders, the man behind Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC. Colonel Sanders didn't have an easy start in life. He faced numerous challenges and setbacks throughout his early years. Born in 1890, he dropped out of school at a young age and held various odd jobs to make ends meet. He worked as a farmhand, a streetcar conductor, a fireman, and even a lawyer for a brief period. Despite his varied experiences, he never found true success. However, Sanders had one thing that set him apart: his secret fried chicken recipe. He started cooking at a young age and developed a unique blend of herbs and spices to create mouth-watering fried chicken. This recipe was a source of pride and a glimmer of hope in his life. At the age of 65, after facing a series of financial failures and personal setbacks, Colonel Sanders decided to embark on a journey to share his beloved recipe with the world. With nothing more than a dream and his recipe, he set out on a mission to establish a franchise network for his fried chicken. Imagine the countless rejections he faced as he traveled across the United States, trying to persuade restaurant owners to use his recipe. He heard no over 1,000 times, but he refused to give up. Colonel Sanders knew he had something special, and he believed in it with all his heart. Finally, in 1952, after numerous rejections and sleepless nights spent in his car, he found his first franchisee. This marked the beginning of what would become the global phenomenon known as KFC. Through relentless determination, Colonel Sanders saw his dream take flight. The distinctive taste of his fried chicken captured the hearts and taste buds of people everywhere. The once struggling entrepreneur became an iconic figure in the world of fast food. Today, KFC operates in over 145 countries, with thousands of outlets serving millions of customers daily. Never giving up. His life story teaches never giving up teaches us that it's never too late to pursue your dreams, that setbacks can be the stepping stones to success, and that unwavering belief in your abilities can turn a single recipe into a global sensation. So, the next time you savor the crispy, flavorful goodness of KFC, remember Colonel Sanders' journey. Let it be a reminder that success often comes to those who dare to chase their dreams, no matter their age or circumstances. Colonel Sanders' story inspires us to believe in ourselves, embrace our uniqueness, and keep pushing forward, no matter how many times life says no. In the heart of adversity, where many would have faltered, Colonel Harland Sanders stood tall, firm in his belief that age and circumstances were no barriers to success. His journey was a testament to resilience, entrepreneurship, and the pursuit of a dream that would revolutionize the fast food industry. At 65, an age when most people contemplate retirement, Colonel Sanders faced financial ruin. Armed with a secret recipe and an indomitable spirit, he set off in his trusty car to share his culinary masterpiece with the world. He didn't have the convenience of modern technology or the ease of communication we enjoy today, but what he did have was an unwavering belief in the taste of his fried chicken. He knocked on countless restaurant doors, enduring rejection after rejection. People weren't initially receptive to this elderly man with a frying pan and a secret recipe. But Colonel Sanders refused to let their skepticism deter him. He knew he had something extraordinary, and he was determined to share it. Persistence, as they say, pays off. After more than 1,000 rejections, he finally found someone who shared his vision. A business partnership was forged, and the first Kentucky Fried Chicken restaurant was born in Salt Lake City in 1952. The Colonel's Fried Chicken was an instant hit. It wasn't just the secret blend of 11 herbs and spices that made it special, it was the dedication and passion that Sanders poured into every piece. The success of KFC wasn't handed to Colonel Sanders, it was earned through years of hard work, determination, and resilience. He embraced failure as a stepping stone and turned setbacks into setups for a comeback. Colonel Sanders' story is more than a tale of creating a globally recognized brand. It's a lesson in perseverance and the triumph of the human spirit. It reminds us that success doesn't come easily or quickly. It requires dedication, hard work, and the ability to bounce back from failures. Today, KFC is a global icon, with thousands of restaurants and millions of fans worldwide. So, let Colonel Sanders' journey remind you that you're never too old to dream, and success is always within your reach if you dare to keep trying. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe this video.